friends, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Valerie, your practical decorator, helping you to make it home. Now, hopefully you have already put up your front door wreath for the Christmas holiday season if you celebrate Christmas, right? I have not put mine up yet. This is what I'm trying to do right now. I have put some lilac branches in this basket for some time now and has been putting off getting it done. But today is as good as any other time because we are maybe 6 days away from Christmas. And so I have a wreath on there right now, but it's an old one that I used last year, I think it was, and it's a bit trashy. So I want to finish this one up so I can put this one there. I have it hung here because it will be more convenient for me to put it together. Plus, you will be able to see it better, right, than having it laying flat on the table. So before I start putting everything together in there in no particular order, just to make it look aesthetically pleasing, pretty, right? Because Christmas is about being pretty, right? So I am going to go through some of the materials that I will be putting in this basket to make it pretty. The first thing I want to show you are these. Now these are simply inspired blooms from lamb's ears. All I did was use a can of paint to spray paint them green. They were brighter, and I don't mind the intensity right now of the color. That green is good enough for me because then it will contrast a bit with the evergreen branches that I'll also be putting in. If you put them together here, you can see that there is a difference, right? And then I will also be using my burlap and gold blooms that I've had now for some time. I have 3 of them. Hopefully there's room for all 3. And I will be using some pine cones and some cedar cones to add a little dimension. Plus, I will be using these that I picked up at the thrift store. Now, these ones are individual. They're like berries, and the other one is like a glass ball. I'll have to use my hot glue to get them on. Oh yeah, these are actually poppy seed pods that I picked from my garden in the fall, and I've basically just used some glue and glitter to make them sparkle, so my arrangement can have a little sparkle. Hopefully you will come along with me and see how it turns out. So let's get started. that's it. What do you think, friends? Let me know in the comments section. For me, your Christmas front door decor doesn't have to be a wreath. And so I have chosen to do a muted arrangement made from mostly everything from my yard. From the dried lamb, the Ayers blooms, to the poppy pods, to the lilac branch, the evergreen. Some of the pine cones were sourced on the road while on my way home out here in the countryside. As I said before, let me know what you think. And please remember to like, share, and if you have not yet subscribed, do me a favor and hit that subscription button. Also remember to turn on your bell notification icon so you can be notified of videos like this and many, many, many more useful videos that will help you to make it home. You have yourself a merry little Christmas. Happy holidays from me to you, from my house to your house. Sending you lots of love and holiday cheers. You take care now. I'll see you in the next video.